Well, it's hedging time. It's time for the planting of hedges. The soil conditions are ideal at the moment. Hedging plants like Gristolinia, common laurel, Photinia red robin, hollies, boxwood, all can be planted at this time of year. When planting, it's important to prepare the soil well because the quality and growth and density of the hedge is determined by the quality of the soil and the soil preparation. And I recommend the use of Osmo Pro 6 granules added into the soil before planting. But if you've got existing hedges, now's the time to feed them with the Osmo Pro 6 now and in a month's time, but also to give young hedges a light trimming back. So trimming back simply means pruning out the leading shoots, and that encourages a denser and fuller hedge with growth coming right from the base. So if you've got young laurel plants like these, to thicken them up and make them really look well this summer, simply cut off the heads, the long shoots, and that'll encourage lots of growth beneath, particularly if you start to feed them now. So remember, it's time for planting hedges, it's time to give them a light trimming back, but it's also the key time to feed them with the Osmo Pro 6 now and in a month's time. Here at Horkans, we're open 7 days, Monday to Saturday, 9:30 to 6 p.m, and every Sunday from 11 right through until 6 in our Castlebar, Galway and Sligo centres. Catch you then.